Welcome to You and Your Person's Feeling Collective Reading. This is a timeless reading, not gender specific. Welcome to this particular reading, guys. All my readings are timeless on YouTube and on Instagram. On Instagram, you can follow me by the same name as it is on YouTube, okay? All right, any of you who want to get your personal readings, contact me through WhatsApp. Find the number in the details below. All right. Holy Divine, please guide me through collective feelings today, what their person is feeling. I ask Holy Divine to guide me through tarot cards. Please connect with me and tell me what the collective is feeling today. First, I will take your feelings, okay? What is my collective feeling towards their person today? Holy Divine, kindly guide me. Okay, we have 10 of Swords, 3 of Cups. Oh my God. 4 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles. Collective, what is going on with you? You're getting very much confused with your own feelings. What is collective feeling for their person? Okay, we have Queen of Swords. Okay, collective, this is your feelings for your person right now. Okay. What is collective feeling for their person? Kindly guide me through this. Page of Pentacles we have received. Okay, 5 of Wands is there. King of Wands is there. 8 of Wands is there. Okay. Okay. Collective, you're being heated up sometimes and you're feeling that you want to, get over from this person. Certainly your person, I'm feeling like you have this feeling of uh, detaching from your person a lot. You feel like I want to detach with my person. This is what you're feeling is collective. Collective is also feeling very much betrayed. Collective also feels like your person is, somewhere celebrating without you, or you want to be celebrating with your person. So collective is feeling that you want to celebrate with your person. There is also, I feel like you are healing yourself. I feel like you're telepathy connecting with your person whenever it comes, because I feel like it has been some time that you're separate with your person. Could not be, could not be. For some of you, you're very much separate from your person for a very long time. But for some of you, you guys are just feeling some separation for some time, not for a long time. So for some of you, there is coming this message that your person said no to you very recently, or your person got away from you very recently. Something like this is coming up, collective. Okay, now I'm feeling for those of you who are very much in separation for a very long time. You guys are connecting with your person telepathically because you have surrendered to divine also. So yeah, today's collective, you have surrendered a lot to divine. But for others who are recently getting this, um, whatever the breakup situation is, the separation situation is, you guys so want your person, so want your person that you are not able to live without them. Okay, so you want an very initiation from your person, but very much soon, right? So you are not finding. So I'm feeling like there is this wanting that, uh, oh my God, I just want my person to text me. I just want my person to text me. I just want my person to text me. This is your vibration for now. Okay. Yeah, so collective, this is for all of you. This is coming to me as Queen of Swords. You just want to say something to your person, like you just want to tell them something, and you want to be very much straightforward about it. You want to be very much, on the point, and where you got hurt exactly. Okay, so with your person, I'm feeling like there are so much of boundaries that you're keeping, that for some of you, but for some of you I'm getting like you have taken away all the boundaries because of the surrendering. So yeah, you're kind of healing somewhere, but this is very much confusing for today's collective. Like, what is happening? We just want to know from the universe, like, what is happening. Someone give me an answer. So this is what today's collective is like. You're like, either this happens fast or something else happens or somebody else come into the picture, and something like that, which is not letting you be, which is telling me that there is a specific reunion that has a possibility that it can happen. But yeah, for some of you it's like you know um it's like a maze that you're not able to solve. It's a puzzle that it's not being solved from your side. Okay, you're also fighting with your person. There could be some kind of you know conflicts between you two, okay, because of other people. I'm feeling like today's collective, you just want your person to be yours, and there should not be any other people surrounding you. You just want to stay happy. So today's collective could be actually a divine person who is not understanding what is gonna happen and why exactly all of this scenario is going on. Meanwhile, I feel like your person has some kind of they have left a mark on you. There is a special coming back, special mark that is telling you that your person could come back. There is always this picture that is going on in collective's mind today, that my person will come back, my person is gonna talk to me, they will find a reunion. So you are being very much hopeful, you're being very much positive about your person, that yes, they will come, and you literally want this to happen very, like, soon, right? You want this, right? Like, I was just expecting your text and you text me, and that's exactly what you want from this person. Like, just coming from nowhere. And yeah, I was expecting you a long time back. Where were you? And this is what it sees to me. It's looking at me. I mean, what am I saying, right? I'm looking at it. Okay, yeah, this is what I am looking at. Okay, you guys are hopeful, but then there is like some kind of some kind of I feel like you should have given something, collective. You should have given something to yourself. Like, yes, you deserve better. You deserve better. Like, it's not like your person is nothing. I'm not saying that your person, but I'm saying that your person is not everything. Um, you could have treated yourself much better. Like, how I'm saying this in the way that you know I have other possibilities, I am better, I am great. And you're keeping yourself in a box, right? So this is what I'm saying to you. Today's collective, you're keeping yourself in a box. You're not opening your own lotus petals, right? This is about your crown chakra also. So yeah, meanwhile, this card talks about root, but because there's a lack mentality that I feel. But how lack? It's more like you need to open your lotus with the crown, and you need to feel more confident about who you are. You deserve good things in life, and this is not so. This whole conversation, this whole person, the scenario with this person, I feel like this is keeping you yeah, inside a box, in the lack mentality. Plus something about you know finding more, getting more for yourself, and let the situation go, and think about different things, think it from a different angle, that how you can get better things in life. But yeah, something I think that today's collective, you have been feeling guilty or lacking or less something about yourself, and this whole thing situation is making you all how do I say this? I mean, you think that this is the person, right? And maybe this person is somewhere else, thinking of something else, doing something else, enjoying probably. I don't know, I just have not looked at their picture what they are thinking. But for you, collective, I feel like this makes you small. Okay, this whole situation, I feel you have never felt this small ever in your life, but this whole situation makes you feel very small, like you're contained in a box, right? So you're keeping yourself in a box, right? So these are your feelings, collective. I'm going to find your person's feeling, what's happening with them. Okay, what is happening with collective's person? Let's just find it out. What is collective's person feeling towards collective? Thank you, divine. We have 8 of cups. The Empress, Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, you are the Queen of Swords. With a different deck I showed you, there is a Queen of Swords in the different deck with your person's feeling. Okay, 5 of Wands with your person also. 11 is their Fool card. Oh my god, we have Queen of Pentacles. The Moon is here. 8 of Wands is here with your feelings and your person's feeling. 8 of Wands is specifically there. 4 of Wands is there. Okay, right. And we have 2 of Pentacles, right? So I think there is some kind of communication that you can expect from your person. Okay, it's time, because I'm feeling like it's time. It's 11:44. Okay, it's time. Also, the Fool card is here. I feel like your person is taking some kind of steps towards this particular relationship, or maybe this particular scenario, how they feel within, how you and them, you know, spent their time thinking about the same thing, that there was a separation. Okay, I feel like your person is getting over from that. It's a past feeling for your person when they were actually confused. So this 2 of Pentacles is telling me that it's a past thing for your person. For your person, they are not confused anymore. Even if they were in past, this is all behind them. They have kept it behind them. But yeah, your person is actually feeling that there is still the separation, there is still a broken relationship between you and them. Okay, this is your person. Okay, now we have the Empress card. Empress is more like, I feel like your person is also getting some kind of, I feel like there is a telepathic communication between you two happening. And um I feel like your person wants to dress up for you and wants to show you that they're dressing up for you. And particular, like, I am also feeling that you guys live in a particularly same neighborhood or community, something like that, like nearby some. And this person has been waiting to um just tell you that, what, I exist. And there was this attitude that they wanted to show you for a very long time. But deep down inside, they like you, they love you, they like you a lot. Okay, this person has been waiting their whole time. I feel like this person is holding their breath. This person is holding their breath to some kind of extent. Okay, this person did not want to say bad to you, but definitely they wanted to show you some kind of an attitude. But that was in the past. There is still this frequency that they connect to, like this is their frequency, but not anymore. This was in the past. Okay, so this Queen of Swords, your person wanted to show you some kind of an attitude. You know what, you left, but I am there. I am just there, right? So this whole thing they have kept behind them. Okay, but yeah, they know that this was their case at a particular time. Okay, yeah, this was your feelings also. 5 of Wands with a different deck. Their feelings also 5 of Wands. I feel like there is a very much heat between you two. Okay, with Queen of Swords and 5 of Wands together. With this, for both of you, there were energies the same energies for you and for your person is coming up. Five of Wands, conflicts, um, competition, right? And Queen of Wands. Want to say something straightforwardly. This is who I am, probably, and I like my boundaries. I made this whole life, and I can't, expect you to ruin it all for me. I feel like there is some kind of fear. There is something that needs to be healed between. So, yeah, this person needs to heal a lot, but you need to heal too. So for you collective, I was feeling that you are so much confused. Should I wait? Should I not wait? Is this almost a beginning of something new? I think like you're giving a birth, collective. And meanwhile, I was thinking about you for the same thing, that you are giving, or maybe your life is giving you a rebirth. But look at this, your partner has this feeling of rebirth and the Fool card, new beginning. I was feeling it all for you, collective, but this is all coming in your partner's energy, which means this whole is you and your partner's energy. It is about time to you and your person, for you and your person to give a new birth to the relationship, to probably start from a clean slate, probably just uh, whatever there were conflicts about, you just talk about it. And even if you don't want to be together, there is some kind of communication, that I feel like there is a new starting for you both. So yeah, your life and your person's life, there is something new coming. And I feel like whatever your person is feeling right now, that's about you. And you are so much into this person's vibration, so much that same cards have appeared, like three cards have appeared exactly the same. Okay, but for your feelings, exactly everything is coming in your person's cards. I don't know why. And this Eight of Wands, your person will start a conversation. Your person will come and meet you. Probably this will be a universe's call. By universe, you guys will meet. It's not just about that your person will come and meet you. This is also about universe will let this happen. And this is the Four of Wands. It's like marriage, reunion, celebration. For you, it was Three of Cups, but for your person, it's Four of Wands. So, yeah, both of you are looking forward for a celebration among each other. You're very much separate. Your person, yeah, so there is like abandonment issues that your person is feeling right now. Your person and you are so much separate. There is abandonment issues I'm feeling with this particular card. Some kind of moon energy, the night time. In the night time, your person thinks about you a lot. I'm feeling like that. Okay, so this is all the past feelings. This all needs to heal, right? You and your person, this all needs to heal. Okay, let me see more. What about what your person feels more? We have the Ten of Cups in here. What your person feels more? I'm getting the Wheel of Fortune, but I was getting Ace of Swords about a communication. Okay, Ten of Cup. Ten of Cups is coming for your person. Ace of Swords is coming for your person. These both cards are marriage, reunion, celebration, and a great friendship, great restart, and thinking about past memories, celebrating, maybe going to a playground or a picnic. So picnic is like, I don't know if your person was your school or classmate. Picnic is coming up, or maybe, right? So this could be, one of your those people who you connected with a lot and they connected with you too, something like that, very strongly. Okay, what does your person feel more, collective? God, please guide me. Nine of Wands. Yeah, very much restricted. Very much restricted. Fear. There is a fear involved. Okay. Your person is very much restricted. They're in fear whether to start a communication or not. This is about a communication. They are very much fearful whether they want to, if they want to. So they want to, but there is always this thing. We have Hierophant, Six of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and oh my God, Four of Pentacles. This came for you too. Four of Pentacles came for you too and for your person too. Okay. Your person is also closed in a box. Okay. You both have this feeling of coming together, and yet you have this particular feeling like, why do we even get together? Okay, have we not found anyone else? Is it the only person for me? So there is always this conflict. So probably this Five of Wands is not just for your person and you together, right? You guys may not be fighting at all with each other, but you guys are fighting within yourselves. Am I just so there is this feeling between you and your person both that, can I not get anyone else? I mean, how would I feel like, how would it, look on my face if I go back to the same person? For you too, right? If I go back to the same person, how would my face look like? Okay, would I not look like an idiot? So even your person is just the same. Would I not look like an idiot, right? So closed in a box. Closed in a box. Okay, not yet explode yourself completely, yet both of okay, that this is who you are. You want to be with each other. You can expect sudden communication. You can expect sudden changes in your life. Sudden things can, shift for you. And there is this communication. There is some kind of communication that needs to take place. With the Six of Pentacles, this card, maybe one of you, maybe this is your person, this person treated you like you wanted something. Maybe you're a gold digger, right? So this person could have thought that I am bigger than you and you do not fit according to me. So in the past, this really happened with the Six of Pentacles. Six is always about past feelings. Six is always about thinking about the past. Six has always been very much nostalgic. Nostalgia is very much involved in here. So number six for you guys, number Six of Pentacles, they're feeling this for you. Okay, so it could be actually a good thing that your person wanted to show you that I am giving, you're not receiving. Maybe you are not receiving, or maybe you were receiving but it was less than what you were expecting. This is also Six of Pentacles, that you received less than you expected, or maybe they give you breadcrumbs, more like that. Your person knows a lot. Maybe your person is very much mature than you don't even know, because we have the Hierophant here. Hierophant means this person has been connecting with you. I feel like they're very much mature. They are connecting with you. They want you to understand something, and maybe you did, and this person with this Six of Pentacles in the Hierophant card, I feel like this person always thought less of you. Like, you understood what they wanted to tell you, but um, they thought that you would never understand, or maybe you don't understand at all. This is what it is about. So yeah, they want to communicate about something. This is Page of Pentacles. Okay, there's the Four of Cups and Four of Pentacles also. This person has not moved on without you. This is what it is. And we have the Temperance card. They always want to be with you. It's more like Four of Pentacles. You both are feeling, should I go want, this is the same person. So you and your person both respect each other, want each other. You guys want to be together, both of you, but there is always this mentality that crawls up in both of your minds, even you and your person both, that um, I should give myself more than to give other person, right? So both of you are there saying the same things to each other and thinking about the same thing to each other probably. um, and there is something that you need to, whatever you're feeling for your person, I feel like if there is a rage, if there is a love, if there is something, you want to do that to your own, some kind of rage that is you're feeling for your person. That rage is coming from within you. If your person is feeling the same way, that rage is coming from within themselves, for themselves. Okay, and if there is love, there is love from within you, that both of you feel for your own selves also. Okay, so try and connect with that particular feeling that you feel for your person in particular, and then you connect it to yourself. Like, what is it that, why am I feeling this for myself? So something that needs to be taken care of from both of your sides to your own selves first. Okay, but yeah, for me, in this particular reading, this communication is coming very soon on a 4th of particular day. It could be, okay, yeah, 18th of March could be specific. 18th of March is coming to me. 4th of March could be specific for some people. Okay, 19th is also very specific in particularly here. Okay, April could also be specific, but yeah, this communication is happening, coming from your person, and I think you will talk to this person from my side also. But I am not guiding on this anything. I am not. I'm just telling you what I see in the cards, what I have intuitive, what I have picked up intuitively. Okay. I feel like there is a communication. You will meet this person, you will see this person, you will remember of the past times. Okay. Now that was your reading. I close this reading. Guys, collective. Okay, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. um yeah, press that notification bell icon also. And any of you wants to book your personal reading, get your personal reading, contact me. The contact details are only in the description box below. I will see you next time. Make sure you're smiling. Okay, you're always smiling. I love you and peace out.